Found almost in every corner of our planet, found in each continent, to the freezing Antarctica to the burning Sahara Desert. Rocks are natural substances composed of solid crystals and different minerals that have been fused together into a solid lump. We're familiar with the three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And minerals may or may not have been formed at the same time. What matters is that natural processes glued them all together. Minerals are naturally occurring homogeneous solids with a definite chemical composition and a highly ordered atomic arrangement. It is formed by inorganic processes. There are several thousand known minerals, about 100 of which constitute the major mineral components of rocks, called rock-forming minerals. Rocks and minerals play a valuable role in our ecosystem, such as providing habitats for both flora and fauna life forms. They are also the building blocks of our society. They helped us progress in the fields of medicine, agriculture, science, and technology. And it goes without saying, they contribute to the beauty and wonderment of our planet. They should be left as they were found, so that others can experience a sense of discovery. These gifts given to us by our Mother Earth is our responsibility to take care of.
We are living in the advent of technology where massive changes are ensued, discoveries are made. Every little thing that surrounds us came from compounds of minerals before it became what meets the eye.
Due to the fact that our technology is fast rising, the demand for different minerals is drastically rising as well. Our world was once rich, but because of people who abuse nature, we are slowly running out of these natural resources.
We do not own these treasures, yet we mine them to the last grain. We often forget that they will run out if we continue to act like this. And if they do run out, remember that we're not the only ones who will suffer. Acquiring these natural resources is the farthest thing from easy. They're found in places beyond what we could see, under the waters, under the soil, and in the hearts of forests. That's why we resorted to means that are disadvantageous in the long run and detrimental to the planet.
Stands legal logging and illegal mining. As children, if this thing should be continued or should they be stopped, and without any hesitation, they'll give an answer. Yet, deforestation and overmining are still one of the most dangerous threats to the environment.
Due to the fact that almost 11.9 million hectares of trees were burned just last year with the works of illegal mining, it doubles up the damage to our planet as it grows weaker with resources. Environmental impacts of mining can occur at local, regional, and global scales through direct and indirect mining practices.
Impacts can result in erosion, sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, soil contamination, contamination of ground and surface water by the chemicals emitted from the mining processes. These processes also have an impact on the atmosphere from the emission of carbon, which have effect on the quality of human health and biodiversity.
Methods may have such significant environmental and public health effect that mining companies in some countries are required to follow strict environmental and rehabilitation codes to ensure that mined area returns to its original state.
In simple terms, we are destroying everything because of our own greeds. Yet, we are not the ones who are suffering, but the planet. Subsystems, ecosystems, habitats, forests, seas, and many more. But we still choose to turn a blind eye.
Why do we need to take action? When do we need to take action? And what action should we take?
Have you ever thought about what the world would be like without these resources? If we took all the rocks and minerals away, envisioning a life without them is near to impossible.
The world itself might collapse and would be submerged into a never-ending depth of oceans. All but marine life will be made impossible.
Rocks and minerals are Earth's treasure. Its existence keeps our planet healthy and suitable for life. Because of rocks and minerals, we are provided on our daily living essentials such as building infrastructures, possessions like cars, gadgets, appliances, jewelry, and many more.
We're losing these natural resources at alarming rate. If we don't act now, we may no longer have anything to preserve.
We owe it to every animal, to every tree, and every flower. We owe it to Mother Earth to take action and fix what we've destroyed.
Why is there a need to preserve minerals and rock? In a nutshell, because it supports humanity's development and continues the existence of the earth itself.
From the pencil we used to write the script, to the road you took to be where you are now. From the jewelry that we wear, the medicines we take, the vehicles we ride, to the infrastructures that continues to amaze us. Essential in medicine, agriculture, architecture, and every field of science. Yes, I'm talking about minerals and rocks. These earthly treasures are essential to the progress of our society and in the evolution of mankind itself. Yet, we tend to forget their worth. No, not their worth in the market, but their worth in our lives. Their importance to the ecosystem, their influence to every living thing from the smallest critters to the fiercest of beasts. We don't have enough time. We're losing these gifts due to our personal greed and foolishness. It's time that we start to think of the consequences of our actions. Everyone can do their part. Being aware of the condition of our planet is a huge help itself. Use your voice, open your eyes, and demand urgency. So, I have a question for you. When will you do your part?